What would you say are the mistakes that you've seen people make when, specifically when deciding like which pitches to make or which requests to respond to?
I can pretty much go over all the mistakes, actually, if you're okay with that.
Yeah, go for it. All of them. Let's get the list.
Yeah. So the first mistake is the filtering aspect. You're getting too many emails. So bring it down to one when you first start, just so it makes it a bit manageable for you. The second is pitching to irrelevant queries that waste your time. And not only that, you feel like you're failing because you don't get the response that you're expecting, because you put in a lot of work. You said you sent 10 pitches, so maybe you can get one back. But if not even one show up because of whatever reason, then you're gonna get way turned off. Boring subject lines. Yeah, you might as well as just like type in ASDF inquiry 1 2 3 4 5, because the subject lines are equivalent to I don't know how many of our viewers have ever dealt with running ads, but subject lines are basically the display elements of an ad. It grabs the reader's attention. So in our case, the journalist's attention. So that's like your one way of really standing out right away, right off the bat in their inbox. So let's say in the case that I have shared with you with Andrews, I can start off with my CEO, who was this guy who was the first CMO of a $1.5 billion startup, blah 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 blah. Then immediately it's like stands out from I have a query, or here are my thoughts, or my top tips, or something very generic, right, that everyone is probably writing. So you really have to think about how to stand out by using interesting subject lines. So avoid boring subject lines.